how to redeem your PayPal gift card. Now, to do that, first open up your web browser and then search for PayPal. After you search for PayPal, make sure that you have logged in to your PayPal account. Now, after you've logged into your PayPal account, your homepage should look like this. After you've opened up your homepage, go to the wallet section right here. After you go to your wallet section, you need to link a card if you haven't yet. So let's just link a card. Here, what you need to do is you need to type in your credit or debit card number. So let's just type in something random, and then you can see here you can choose, or it will automatically choose your card type. After you do so, just type in your expiration date and the security code. What you need to do is you need to add your billing address and then click on link card. After you've linked your card, what you need to do is go back to the wallets, and after you go to the wallets, you'll see an option that says gift cards. Click on the gift cards option, and then after you clicked on the gift cards option, you will be able to just type in the gift cards details like their number and other details like expiration date and whatnot, and then you will be able to claim your gift card, that is redeem your gift card, and then your money, that is your amount on the gift card, will get stored on your wallet. So that is how you redeem your gift card on your PayPal account, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And if you find our tutorial videos very helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.